Every YouTube content creator desires a large number of views for a variety of reasons. Some of them only do YouTube for money, so the more views they get, the more money they make. On the other hand, there are people like Mr. Beast who simply want to do what he enjoys and help others with the money he earns from his views. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get more YouTube views. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process of creating good SEO for your videos so that you can get a lot of views even if your channel is brand new and you're just getting started. So, if you want to know how to get more views on YouTube in 2021 and what the best channel ideas are, watch the entire video. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. I also give shoutouts to my subscribers, so subscribe now if you want to be mentioned in my next video. Thank you for your support. Before we begin our optimization process, we must first select the appropriate keywords for our video. That is, you must determine whether the keyword you select for your video is appropriate for your channel. Some keywords are more competitive than others, and small channels will find it difficult to compete with large channels that already have a large number of viewers and views on their videos. The ideal keyword has a high search volume and low competition, allowing us to gain views simply from YouTube search. TubeBuddy can help you find the right keyword. This is a fantastic tool for determining which keywords are best for our channel. I was looking for the right keywords for my channel before making this video, and this tool came in handy. My channel is relatively small, making it difficult for me to compete with larger channels. Keywords like YouTube SEO or how to get views on YouTube are too competitive for me, so I had to think about what my video title would be, which I discovered thanks to TubeBuddy. I discovered that people are looking for how to get more views on YouTube for beginners because many people who don't know how to get views are simply getting started, so I went looking for similar titles and TubeBuddy recommended some of them to me. I made a short list of titles and tags that I intend to use as tags when I upload my video. If you've found the perfect keywords for your video, make the most important one the title. Make sure you know why you want to make a YouTube video and who your target audience is. For example, if you want to highlight a product review, include the product name in the video title and description. It may appear to be a simple step, but many YouTube channels skip it, resulting in their videos ranking low in Google and YouTube search results. Look how Marquez do that. He is putting the exact name of the phone that he is reviewing at the start of the title. Seeing that people are more likely to watch the video because they know it is what they were looking for. If you found a title for one of your videos, you can use it as the file name for the video you're about to upload to YouTube. When it comes to showing your video in search results, YouTube may use this as one of the ranking factors. If the target keyword appears in the file name you're uploading, your video has a much better chance of being ranked and gaining more search volume. YouTube can see the name of the file you're uploading and use it to help your video grow. In the following step, we will discuss how important the description of your video is. YouTube is one of the world's largest search engines. In addition, using keywords in your descriptions can help viewers find your videos more easily through search. The description field is incredibly useful for helping viewers to find, learn about, and decide if they'd like to watch your videos. Making sure you have a solid, optimized video description is one of the most important ranking factors for YouTube SEO. If you want to write a searchable description, you must provide an overview of your video using natural language rather than a stream of keywords. It is against YouTube policy to put random words related to your video. Remember to put the most important keywords at the beginning of the description, and to use the same keyword in both the title and the description. Make sure that each video has a distinct description. This makes it easier to find through search and distinguishes it from similar videos. Use search-friendly keywords and natural language in the first few lines of text to explain what the video is about. Use the remaining text what appears after they click Show More to provide additional information, such as what your channel is about, social links, and so on. You can include interactive elements that will help you increase views, highlight collaborations, and grow your subscriber base. Use timestamps to assist viewers in skipping to important sections of longer videos. Make use of video hashtags to boost YouTube search results. In order for viewers to find your video, include hashtags in key parts of your description. Make sure to only use hashtags that are relevant to your video. For example, if you post a review of a specific movie, do not include hashtags related to other popular movies, actors, or unrelated topics to artificially increase views. Because a little goes a long way, avoid stuffing your description section with hashtags. If a video contains more than 15 hashtags, YouTube will ignore all of them. Hashtags are particularly useful when dealing with trending content, such as upcoming events or people in the news. This ensures that viewers searching for videos on the trending topic will find a wide range of relevant content. Don't forget to select a video category. When searching for a specific video with advanced options, users can select the search to show videos from specific categories. When uploading your video, it is critical that you contextualize it with categories so that it can be found by a user. YouTube offers a wide range of category options, so you should be able to find one that fits your YouTube videos. When uploading your video, you have the option of selecting a category. After you have optimized your videos for SEO, you will require very good thumbnails. When people look at YouTube search results, they are the first thing that catches their attention. A strong thumbnail can result in more watch time, which can have a significant impact on YouTube ranking. Make something that catches people's attention and stands out from the crowd in order for your video to be noticed. Make sure your title and thumbnail complement each other to tell a compelling story. Request feedback from your community on various examples of potential thumbnail/title combinations. If you want to build a loyal, long-term YouTube audience, your goal should be to pique viewers' interest in your video while avoiding misleading, clickbait, or sensational thumbnails and titles. I'll make a separate video about thumbnails, so subscribe to my channel if you want to learn how to make good thumbnails. I just showed you how to get more YouTube views with SEO-optimized videos. If you want to know more, please leave a comment. Have you heard of any of these concepts before? Please let us know and let us know if you've tried any of them. If this video was helpful to you, please leave a like on the video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.